dark, and I'm right on the middle mark. I'm just in the tier of everything that rides below the surface. And I watch from a distant 17, short of the others' dreams of being golden and on top. It's not just painted in my head. There's so much there is